Want to level up your coding workflow or effectively manage projects collaboratively? First, you'll need a GitHub account. If you don't have one, sign up. Once inside, start a project by creating a new repository. Think of a repository as your project's home, a central location to store all your code, files, and history. Inside your repository, you'll see your project's code. Now, a cornerstone of GitHub is branching. Imagine branching as creating a copy of your code to work on new features without disrupting the main project. It's like creating a separate sandbox. Once you finish working on your feature branch, it is time to make a pull request. A pull request signals your changes are ready to be incorporated into the main project. This step allows others to review your code, give feedback, and suggest revisions. Github's issue tracking streamlines project management. It allows you to create and manage tasks, report bugs, and assign responsibilities. It helps you organize tasks and keep tabs on progress. Congratulations, you just touched on the essentials for using GitHub for projects. Learn to set up repositories, create branches, manage pull requests, and use the issue tracker to improve collaboration and efficiency. Want to dive deeper? Explore more tutorials and practice.